Hey, my name's Rob Wynn, and I'm doing the Don't Wake the Wife alarm clock. The problem is, when I get out of bed, it's dark and I can't see what I'm tripping on, so I turn on the light, which wakes my wife up. What shoes are those?
Babe, it's 4:30 in the morning. Shut the light off.
Alright, now let's walk through some of the components of this alarm clock. So I'll remove the top. As we can see here, this is my servo motor that is connected to my panel of lights that goes up and down. If we look in here, we can see my real-time clock, and it's evident that that is a part of my alarm. When we look at the LCD screen, here is my LCD screen. It's showing the time and the date from my RTC clock. Here's my ultrasonic sensor, which when my leg in the video came over it turned off the alarm, but I programmed to have it keep the lights on. Here's my RGB LED, which does change colors when the alarm's on and when I reset the alarm. Here's my joystick that allows me to move the panel lights manually, and it'll stay on as long as I have the joystick up, and so I can look under the bed or do whatever I need and then let it go, and it'll turn off after 1 second. Here's my buzzer for the alarm, and this is my keypad, which allows me to impart the alarm. Okay, I stopped the video to save some time. As we can see, the RGB LED turned red. The buzzer's working. The servo motor moved my light panels. And again, when I move my hand over there, it stops the alarm but keeps the lights on for 5 seconds.